Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to enable Shopify gift wrapping option. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, if I head over to my admin panel on Shopify, you can see we have discounts, we have marketing, and in here we do not have as such any gift option, but what we need to do is simply search for gift wrap in the Play Store or App Store of Shopify actually. And here you will have various integration related to exact needs. So you can go for super gift wrap, gift message, and they also have this free plans and options. You can see, give try to these, you will for sure find something good. So that is it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.